Sicayela phansi, sanibonani ninjani? Welcome to another episode of Blind Dates with your host, Death Predator 2008. And then lana ngiphethe ikhapuli from South Squad X Production. And ngisacomplain ngalama operator. Ayikaka. Kak le mfene lezi uncivilized bullshit thing.
Hey, come here, look at me. Hey, look at me. What did I say? No.
Yes, sis. Mara lana nginiphethe into right namhlanje. Nginiphethe match by match of the matches. Lana ngiphethe strategy seKaizer Chiefs. Mara lesasidliwa lesi. Sanibonani.
Hi. Hello.
Yeah. So lana sinama rules a few. Anishare igama, anishare ama details nje into engathi izonenza nazana, anishare. Ne? Yeah. Oh, ngazoze ngichipsele babayo.
Okay.
Yeah. So back to the point. First question. What are your red flags, girl?
Red flags. Mtonamang.
Nama.
Yeah.
That's the only thing.
Yes.
Okay. Boy, wena ama red flags wakho?
Umuntu othanda imali.
Imali ne? So you're trying to say you're broke?
No, nah.
Okay. Next question. What are your green flags, girl?
Green flags.
Yeah.
Umuntu onemali.
Umuntu onemali.
So we don't have the capacity.
Yes.
Okay.
God, broke.
Yeah. But I understand nobody wants a broke guy.
We can't afford.
Mara, that's giving a lot now. It's giving for the street vibes. No offense. Bro, wena ama green flags?
Noma yini, ubuhle.
Ubuhle kahle. Funa umuntu omuhle. Okay. Nazwela. So, dog, like so izwile voice yakhe ngisho. Momcabanga, ishiye match. Soma. Okay. Girlie wena?
Sizobona phambili.
Nizobona phambili. Okay, now question. Okay, ama operators yabona ba uncivilized, ba complain ngama voice wenu. Bathi ngathi amakondwane. Inde icabanga namyeka.
Sure.
Miyekele sikhuluma naye after la. Bheka to bathi phakamisa ivoice ne. Vuma phela.
Yeah.
So far le date lena mina ngi-excite. Yani excite. Mara ngawari sayichinja manje. So at this point in life ngizobiza ama operators wami the same monkeys lawathi ngingathi amagundwane. Kuthi azonikhulula ama mask nibonana maceda nizokhuluma 5-4 seconds ne. Hayi na seconds, minutes. So operators sondelani. Monkey in blue and monkey in white. And uzungishaye namhlanje. Nasu uzungishaye. Ngine case. Plus vele bayasifuna imfene lapha. Oh wait. Bring me your hands. You fake ring intandatho le awumshado. 3. Awa imani hawe. Hold the hand, my guy. Do not shake, my guy. 5, 3, 2, 3, 1, go! Yes! That's Woo! Musukbaleka, bro. Musukbaleka. Yes! We ma wait. How ploma. How? Yes. Operators, no. Okay. Is she a match?
No.
Not even a roll. How?
Issue 0.2.
Yes, that's yo. Pinda.
Issue 0.2.
Yes. We are men.
-1.
Yes. Yo. Yo, but we wife material. Ungabaleki. Uyakwera. Yo. Marabeka buya. Sala phansi.
No, okay.
Yo.
Yo. Like umude ngimshoti. Like I make sense.
Yo,
Exactly.
uzama ukuthini? Uthi intombazane yabantu ayina sense. Okay, so asikhulumeni ke. Girl, yini inkinga yakho nalo mfana?
Mshoti.
Yes.
Okay, mara ama looks unjani?
Eniyabona uRaf uzi
Nama looks. Next. Whoa.
Hi guys.
What if soulmate yakho le?
Hi.
Yo. Boy, buya ngapha, buya. Maye boy, wena uthini?
Next.
Next.
Hayi.
Okay, because it's not a match, sayibona Sonbuza. Girl, how would you rate the guy?
So kupha one.
Yo. Yo.
No, hi guys.
Yo. Okay, what specifically makes him deserve a one?
One of them bese ne look.
You. But umubi son. But umubi. Umubi lokuthi ile page pirates. That's what she's trying to say. And another page pirates mshoti. So, wena ngicela umrate dog, ngicela umrate.
-5.
5 negative. Why dog?
Hayi. Like uthanda ukuhlupa. Uyangihlupha every time mengibona like wena.
How awucabanga ukuthi uthando lo? How bheka abona ubani lo Shakespeare wathi lovers are fighters and the one who loves you is gonna fight you. Shoot uyakuthanda.
Hello.
I know, why not lo? Unani light skin mute it's the contrast, ina contrast.
Hayi.
Hayi. Okay, nizwile lapho mawatchers South Squarex. It's another flop. Clevik is nama flop. Everything is a flop. You? So, hi. Sivale lapho ya namhlanje. Ngiyivala ngokuthi fuck the operators. Msulwenu zinja imfene endini.
chill
Nangizwa. Yeah, sayivala. Ngedani. Yes. Welcome to another post interview with South Squarex. The production is bad. But in Afrikaans, it is not good. It is not good. Afrikaans asikasle. It is not good. My namhlanje si post interview. I post therapy. Gent, how do you feel after that? Kahle wait. What's your name, Kai?
Samkelo bangibiza ngoshoti.
Shoot. Ngoba umshoti. That's ironic. Like really. My ufila kanjani?
Ngifila like ngilethela umuntu wrong.
Wrong ne.
Wrong.
Like ngitshele yini uzonje kakhulu ngathi?
Uyaphapha.
Uyaphapha. Ekunye akuna next.
Uyahlupha.
Ukuhluphe ngani?
Angazi.
Awazi. Kuningi.
Kuningi.
Kumele uname one phela.
One. Thanda ukungihlupha mengidlule eduze kwakho. Thanda ukungiphusha like.
Awazi ukuthi uthando lokho.
Hayi.
Ngiyakutshela. It's not a match.
No.
Not even a little. Hayi. Nizwile lapho ma operators nama fans we South Squarex. It's not a match. It was never a match. So sivala lapho namhlanje ngoshots so cover talk sabonga for the support. That's another one. And another post interview. Sifikile samosha sangena. South Squarex. Hello sis. Date yakho. How was it?
Bad.
Bad.
Yes.
Why?
Ngiphi umuntu omfishane?
Mara ngisho bathi mele contrast ku relationship. Awuvumi nancane. So it wasn't a match.
Yes.
Next. Noma bathi ngavuka kumunye umhlaba amude never.
No, never.
Hayi, nizwile from ugirl. Nigga was chopped. He was chopped in ugliness, chopped in height. Yonke into chopped. What she's trying to say is he was half a man. So mina ngiyayivala lapha therapy session yami namhlanje Cheers to South Squad X. Hit the follow, subscribe and comment buttons. Ngiyanicela. Ngiyanibona.